Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we learn 10 lines on my favorite food, pasta. So let's start. Point number 1 is I like to eat many varieties of food. But pasta is my favorite food. It is an Italian food. Its taste is delicious and amazing. There are many varieties of pasta dishes, but my favorite one is white sauce creamy pasta. My mom is an expert to cook this and we all like it very much. To make it more nutritious, my mom adds a lot of chopped vegetables in it. The taste of cheese and white sauce attracts me the most. It's not spicy, so we can call it a kids-friendly dish. My all family like it very much. So friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.